This is the second part of the Exchange series. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna RDP to the Exchange server. Right now, the Exchange server is a standalone unit, which is joined in a workgroup format. It's not on a domain yet. So we open the TCP/IP connection. We disable any unused LAN connection and change the IP address. Make sure that the IP address is .3.10.0.3. The DNS server is 10.0.0.2, which is our Active Directory DNS server IP address. And then we are going to join this server to the domain, to the delaris.local domain. Enter the username as administrator and the password. This credential is the domain admin credential for allowing this computer to join to the domain. Once that computer is restarted, we log into the domain. Put delaris/administrator, and the password is whatever the domain password, the domain admin password is. So we're gonna log in, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna open the router, and we're gonna do some port forwarding. For Exchange to work, we're gonna open quite a few ports, around 7 ports. For now, we're gonna disable the Windows firewall, the built-in Windows firewall first, so that mail can flow in and out of this box without any problem. So we're gonna open Internet Explorer, and then we're gonna type in the IP address of the router. This is a DDWRT router. We click on the NAT section. So right now we do have RDP port forwarded to the box. So we just want to make sure that we have the IP address on this box is 10.0.0.3 and the DNS is 10.0.0.2. Then the first port is port 25. We're going to put in 25 is SMTP, and we'll apply the settings, and then we're going to put in port, the next port is 587. .587 is SMTP message submission for IMAP and POP for user to connect and submit messages. Apply settings. And then we're going to put in 465. 465 is secure SMTP. After that, we're going to put in 443. 443 is port secure HTTPS. We save it, and the next port we are going to put port 2525. 2525 is alternative port for SMTP. This is to separate the FET and the transport service, front end service and transport service, because the CAS and the mailbox are on the same servers. So we have to separate that, and port 2525 is for an alternative port for SMTP in this case. I'm going to put in port 717. This is for outbound proxy connection. And then put in port 475. This is for mailbox transport delivery service. And we're going to save it and make sure that the router is saved. And that's it.